This video demonstrates taking integer, float, and character input using scanf. Scanf library function is used to read formatted input. The first argument to scanf is a format string, followed by the memory address of variable, where the parsed input value is stored. Remember, scanf never reads anything that it cannot parse. For example, if we enter a character in place of an integer, the input value is unread, and the value resides in the scanf buffer memory, and used by subsequent scanf. Let us now write a C program to read an integer, a float value, and a character using scanf. Touch scanf.c. Hash include stdio.h. Int main. Return 0. First, let us read an integer input from keyboard. Int a. Printf. Enter an integer value. Scanf. %d. Ampersand a. Float b. Printf. Enter a float value. Scanf. %f. Ampersand b. Char c. Printf. Enter a character value. Scanf. %c. Ampersand c. Printf. %d. %f. %c. A, b, c. Let us compile and execute this program. gcc scanf.c. /a.out. Enter 5. Enter 6.5. Here, the program did not allow the user to input character value. The new line character entered after the float value is consumed as character input because it is a valid character. We need space before %c to discard spaces and new line characters in buffer memory. Why do we need a leading space before %c? Most format specifiers including %f or %d, have operations built into them, to discard white spaces or new line characters. For %c, we need to mention this explicitly, using a leading white space. Let us add a space before %c. Let us compile and execute. gcc scanf.c. /a.out. Enter 4. Enter 5.6. Enter a character. The output is shown here. 4, 5.6, and y. To print the memory address of a variable, we may use %p. Ampersand a. Ampersand b. Ampersand c. Let us compile and execute. gcc scanf.c. /a.out. The memory addresses associated with the variables are shown here. They are shown as hexadecimal values. git add scanf.c Git commit, -m, the commit message. Git push, -u, origin, master. To summarize, we have used scanf statements to read input values from the terminal. In addition to this, the importance of a leading space before %c is also demonstrated.